What's up, everyone? Today we're looking at 12 home security gadgets that are absolutely next level. And I'm not talking about basic doorbell cameras or simple alarm systems. These are cutting-edge devices using artificial intelligence, advanced sensors, and technology that didn't exist 5 years ago. Let's get into it. Number 12. Eufy Video Smart Lock. This smart lock combines biometric access with built-in camera, creating comprehensive door security. The fingerprint scanner recognizes authorized users instantly. The video doorbell shows who's at the door before unlocking. The facial recognition identifies familiar faces versus strangers. The two-way audio allows conversations without opening doors. The backup keypad provides PIN access when needed. The automatic locking engages after entry. The tamper alerts notify if someone tries forcing entry. The battery backup ensures operation during power outages. The weatherproof construction handles extreme conditions. The integration with smart home systems allows remote control. The activity log tracks every entry and exit. This lock proves comprehensive security starts at the front door. Number 11. Ring Alarm Pro with built-in Eero router. This security system integrates alarm monitoring with mesh Wi-Fi, creating dual functionality. The base station includes professional-grade router, eliminating separate devices. The contact sensors monitor doors and windows. The motion detectors cover interior spaces. The glass break sensors detect forced entry attempts. The flood and freeze sensors prevent environmental damage. The smoke and CO detectors provide life safety monitoring. The professional monitoring service contacts authorities during emergencies. The cellular backup maintains connectivity if internet fails. The battery backup provides 8 hours of operation during outages. The Alexa integration allows voice control. This system proves security and connectivity can combine seamlessly. Arlo Ultra 2 Spotlight Camera. This wire-free security camera uses advanced AI for threat detection. The 4K video captures license plates and facial details clearly. The color night vision works in complete darkness. The dual spotlights illuminate and deter intruders. The two-way audio includes noise cancellation. The AI distinguishes people, vehicles, animals, and packages, eliminating false alerts. The activity zones prevent alerts from passing cars. The weather resistance handles extreme temperatures. The magnetic mount allows easy repositioning. The rechargeable battery lasts months between charges. The solar panel accessory provides continuous power. The local storage option eliminates cloud subscription requirements. This camera represents cutting-edge outdoor security. SimpliSafe Smart Alarm System. This DIY security system provides professional monitoring without contracts. The base station includes cellular backup. The entry sensors monitor doors and windows. The motion sensors detect movement. The glass break sensors identify forced entry. The panic button provides instant emergency alerts. The smoke detector integrates with alarm system. The water sensor prevents flood damage. The freeze sensor protects pipes. The key fob allows one-touch arming and disarming. The professional monitoring is optional and affordable. The setup requires no tools or wiring. The mobile app provides complete control. This system proves effective security doesn't require complicated installation. Nest Doorbell Battery with AI. This battery-powered doorbell uses Google's AI for intelligent monitoring. The person detection distinguishes humans from animals. The familiar face alerts identify known people versus strangers. The package detection monitors deliveries from arrival to pickup. The built-in battery eliminates wiring requirements. The quick release design allows easy charging. The HDR video handles bright sunlight and deep shadows. The pre-roll feature shows what happened before alerts. The night vision works in darkness. The two-way audio includes noise suppression. The weather resistance handles rain and snow. The integration with Google Home creates comprehensive ecosystems. This doorbell proves battery power doesn't compromise capability. Number 7. Abode's Smart Security Kit. This professional-grade DIY system offers flexibility and power. The gateway includes cellular backup. The sensors monitor entry points. The motion detectors cover rooms. The glass break sensors protect windows. The key fobs provide convenient control. The professional monitoring is optional. The integration works with Alexa, Google, and HomeKit. The automation rules create intelligent responses. The geofencing arms automatically when leaving. The timeline shows detailed activity history. The local storage option maintains privacy. The expandability allows adding unlimited devices. This system represents customizable security for tech-savvy users.
Number 6. Wyze Home Monitoring System. This budget security system delivers impressive capability at minimal cost. The hub includes cellular backup. The entry sensors monitor doors and windows. The motion sensors detect movement. The keypad allows easy arming and disarming. The professional monitoring costs just $5 monthly. The integration with Wyze cameras creates comprehensive coverage. The battery backup maintains operation during outages. The setup is completely DIY. The mobile app provides full control. The expandability allows adding sensors as needed. This system proves effective security doesn't require premium pricing. Number 5. Lorex Fusion Security System. This hybrid system combines wired and wireless cameras with NVR storage. The 4K cameras capture incredible detail. The color night vision works without spotlights. The AI person and vehicle detection eliminates false alerts. The local storage provides privacy and no subscription fees. The expandability supports up to 16 cameras. The weatherproof construction handles extreme conditions. The power over Ethernet simplifies installation. The mobile app allows remote viewing. The two-way audio enables communication. The smart motion zones prevent unnecessary alerts. The integration with smart home systems provides automation. This system represents serious security for larger properties. Number 4. Google Nest Secure Alarm System. This sleek security system combines elegant design with powerful features. The Guard base station includes motion sensor and alarm. The Detect sensors monitor doors and windows. The Tag key fobs allow easy control. The integration with Nest cameras creates comprehensive coverage. The mobile app provides complete control. The professional monitoring is optional. The geofencing arms automatically when leaving. The quiet mode allows entry without alerts. The path light feature guides safely in darkness. The battery backup maintains operation. This system proves security can be both effective and beautiful. Number 3. Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. This premium doorbell uses 3D motion detection, eliminating false alerts. The radar technology creates three-dimensional detection zones. The head-to-toe HD video captures complete views. The pre-roll shows 4 seconds before motion triggers. The color night vision works in darkness. The hardwired power provides continuous operation. The interchangeable faceplates match home aesthetics. The quick replies provide automated responses. The package alerts monitor deliveries. The integration with Alexa allows announcements. The professional monitoring is optional. This doorbell represents the cutting edge of entry monitoring. Number 2. Aqara Smart Home Security Kit. This comprehensive system uses Zigbee protocol for reliable communication. The hub connects up to 128 devices. The contact sensors monitor entry points. The motion sensors detect movement. The vibration sensors identify tampering. The water leak sensors prevent damage. The temperature and humidity sensors monitor conditions. The smart plugs control appliances. The integration with HomeKit, Alexa, and Google provides flexibility. The automation creates intelligent responses. The local processing maintains privacy. The battery life extends years. This system proves comprehensive security can be affordable. Number 1. Vivint Smart Home Security System. This professional-grade system takes the top spot with comprehensive features and expert installation. The touchscreen panel provides elegant control. The doorbell camera includes AI detection. The outdoor cameras feature deterrent lighting. The indoor cameras provide privacy shutters. The smart locks allow keyless entry. The garage door controller adds protection. The smoke detectors integrate with system. The flood sensors prevent water damage. The professional installation ensures proper setup. The monitoring includes live guard response. The smart home integration controls lighting and thermostats. The mobile app provides complete remote control. The capability justifies the investment for those wanting ultimate protection. The professional monitoring with live guards reviewing alerts provides peace of mind no DIY system matches. This represents the absolute pinnacle of home security in 2026.